We have completed the explanation of this lesson, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. And now I am going to explain you the question answers of the same lesson. Let's start working with the text. Answer the following question. Why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? The answer is the king was fed of the talks of Hilsa fish. It was season of Hilsa fish and everyone was busy in talking of it. Moreover, he did not want his courtier to waste the time on these talks. Question number 2. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? We have discussed yesterday that Gopal was very intelligent. So here the question is, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? The answer is, the king asked Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking anything about the fish, throughout the way to prove that he was clever. Question number 3. What 3 things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? Yesterday we have discussed that Gopal half shaved his beard. गोपाल ने ऐसी कौन सी 3 चीज़ें की थी वो हिल्सा फिश खरीदने जा रहा था उससे पहले. Then we all know that he made his ridiculous look. So Gopal half shaved his beard, smeared himself with ash. उसने अपने पूरे फेस पे ऐश लगा के रखी थी, राख लगा के रखी थी. And wore disgraceful rags before he went to buy his Hilsa fish. Question number 4. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? So answer is, when Gopal asked the guards to let him meet the king, they refused. जब गोपाल ने गार्ड्स को बोला कि आई वॉन्ट टू मीट द किंग, मैं राजा से मिलना चाहता हूँ, देन द गार्ड रिफ्यूज. Therefore he began to dance and sing loudly. On hearing his loud song, the king sent his messenger to call him in the court. गोपाल ने क्या किया था, जब गार्ड्स ने रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया था किंग से मिलवाने के लिए, तो गोपाल ज़ोर ज़ोर से चिल्ला के गाना गाने लगा, डांस करने लगा. एंड उसकी आवाज़ सुन के जो राजा थे उन्होंने अपने मैसेंजर को गोपाल को अंदर लाने के लिए भेजा. So this is the answer of 4th question. Now question number 5. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Gopal's funny appearance attracted the attention of people much more than the Hilsa fish. जब गोपाल हिल्सा फिश खरीद के लाया था तो कोई उसकी हिल्सा फिश जो उसने बॉट की थी, खरीदी थी, उसमें कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था. तो क्यों कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था, कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था? बिकॉज गोपाल्स फनी अपीयरेंस अट्रैक्टेड द अटेंशन ऑफ पीपल मच मोर देन द हिल्सा फिश. गोपाल ने जो अपना लुक बना के रखा था, सब लोग उसके लुक पे इंटरेस्टेड थे. उसके हाथ में जो हिल्सा फिश थी, कोई उसे देखने के लिए तैयार नहीं था. एट दैट टाइम नो वन वॉज कैरिंग अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश, ही वॉज कैरिंग. एवरीवन वॉज बिजी इन टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज मैड अपीयरेंस, half shaved face and rags. So everyone was busy in talking that Gopal became mad, and thus no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Now number 6. Write true or false against each of the following sentence. The question number 1. The king lost his temper easily. We have discussed this thing throughout the explanation of our lesson that when everybody were talking about Hilsa fish, the king lost his temper and became very angry. So this sentence is true. Number 2, Gopal was a madman. In reality, Gopal was not a madman, but to look his appearance, everyone were talking about his madness. So in reality, Gopal was not a madman. So this sentence is false. Number 3, Gopal was a clever man. So this sentence is true. Gopal was very intelligent and clever man. Number 4, Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. गोपाल इतना पुअर था कि वो डिसेंट क्लोथ्स खरीदने के लिए अफोर्ड नहीं कर रहा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स अगेंस्ट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. नंबर 1, द किंग लॉस्ट हिज टेम्पर इजीली. We have discussed yesterday that when every courtier were talking about the Hilsa fish, after hearing their talks, the king became very angry and he lost his temper. So this sentence is true. Number 2, Gopal was a madman. In reality, Gopal was not a madman. He was very clever and intelligent. So this sentence is false. Number 3, Gopal was a clever man. I have just told you that he was very intelligent and clever. That's why this sentence is true. Number 3, Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. गोपाल इतना गरीब था कि वो डिसेंट क्लोथ्स खरीदने के लिए अफोर्ड नहीं करता था. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज फॉल्स. गोपाल वॉज नॉट अ वेरी पुअर मैन. Then number 5, the king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. जब गोपाल ने चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करके वो चैलेंज विन की थी, when Gopal won the king's challenge, the king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. So this sentence is false. The king didn't get angry, but he made happy when he was shown to be wrong and he saw that Gopal won his challenge. Now next exercise, working with language. In this exercise, change the following sentences in the story to reported speech. The first one has been done for you. Here an example is given. Number 1, how much did you pay for that Hilsa? So this sentence, this is a question and we have to change the following sentence into reported speech or indirect speech. So the woman asked the man how much he had paid for that Hilsa. So number 2, the question, why is your face half shaven? Now half sentence is given here. We have to complete this sentence. So we will write the answer. Gopal's wife asked him why was his face half shaven. Here answer is already given. Gopal's wife asked him why was his face half shaven. Number 3, I accept the challenge. Your Majesty, Gopal told the king. So in this sentence, I means Gopal. Gopal told the king. So Your Majesty means the king. So here we will write Gopal told the king that he accepted his challenge. Number 4, I want to see the king. We have discussed that this sentence is spoken by Gopal. So Gopal told the guards. Whom? Gopal told whom? Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king. Number 5, bring the man to me at once. This is we have to convert this sentence in reported speech, and this sentence is imperative sentence. That's why here we will convert this sentence into reported speech, and for this we will add here to as conjunction. The king ordered. Here also reporting verb. This is a reporting verb. So as reporting verb we will write here ordered, because the king said this to guards. So the king ordered the guards to bring the man to him at once. Now next exercise. Find out the meaning of the following words by looking them up in the dictionary. Then use them in sentences of your own. Here there are 5 words given. Number 1, challenge. First word is challenged. So here we have to write the meaning of challenge. So challenge means ask to contest or dare. Now we will frame this word in the sentence. The boss challenged Rahul to finish his work before the time. Number 2, second word is mystic. So the meaning of mystic is believing in spiritual power. जब हम spiritual power में God में believe करते हैं, it's called mystic, believing in spiritual power. So now we will frame the sentence. Some people do believe in the mystic forces. Number 3, comical. The meaning of comical is funny. Now the sentence of this word we will frame like this. I liked the comical act of the Joker the most. Number 5, courtier. The meaning of courtier is officials of the king's court. So now we will frame this word in the sentence. Birbal was one of the clever courtier present in Akbar's court. And the last one, smearing. So the meaning of smearing is to apply cost or mark. To apply cod or mark. So now we will make this sentence by using smearing. He smears his face with ashes. So this is our second exercise. Now moving forward, we will do the last exercise. Question number 4. Complete the following word ladder with the help of the clues given below. Here you can see a ladder is given. Now to use the clues, and by taking the help of clues we will complete this following word ladder, right? So first blank is given. My mother will be very blank if you don't go to school. So in this blank we will write cross. CROSS, cross, number 1. Then number 2, as soon as he caught blank of the teacher, Mohan started writing. So we will write in second letter, in second blank, that sight. Second one we will write sight. Number 3, how do you like my blank kitchen garden big enough for you? Is it? Now in this blank we will write tiny. Number 3, we will write tiny. Tiny means small. Number 4, my younger sister is now a blank old. So here In this letter, in this box, we will write year. Y-E-A-R. Year. Number 5. Standing on the blank. He saw children playing on the road. So in number 5, we will write R-O-O-F. Now next, number 6. Don't make such a blank. Nothing will happen. So in this blank, we will write first F-U-S-T. Don't make such a fuss. Nothing will happen. And in the last blank, we will write don't cross the blank till the green light comes. Here first and last letter is already given S and T. So here we will write the answer of number 7, street. Don't cross the street till the green light comes on. So here we have completed the exercise of the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Thank you everyone.